guys probably noticed I cut my bangs today. And maybe you can notice I did it myself because it's still kind of crooked. So I decided to wait until after work to come and fix it. I did it before work, so I didn't have enough time to even think of videoing it for you guys. But I learned this really cool trick for cutting bangs from my hairdresser that I thought was really cool to share, because it could save you so much time and money, even hundreds or thousands of dollars, depending on how often you're going to be using the tricks in this video and how fast your hair grows. So I like to cut my own bangs because I don't have patience to go to the hair salon, wait, ask her to cut my bangs and maybe feel bad not paying money for it, or have to pay to have somebody cut my bangs. Like, such a small thing to do. So I prefer to do it myself. At the end of the day, it's just hair. If you mess up, it's gonna grow back and you're probably gonna be the only one who notices. So here's the trick. And by the way, who showed me this trick was Paula at the Strand Hair Salon. I promise you she does a much better job than I do, and I highly recommend that salon because you can walk in, you don't have to make an appointment, they have space. It's a reasonable price. I pay under $50 for the haircut. So there you go. Because all the other places, they're going to charge you $70, $80 just for a haircut, and you have to book months in advance, and that's just ridiculous. I try any new place. I'll give any haircut place a chance. If they do a good job, I'll go back. But if they don't have time for me, I'm going to go elsewhere. And my theory with hair salons is, if somebody thinks they have skills to cut hair and other people encourage them to do so and start a business or whatever, if they have a business for cutting hair, that means that at least somebody in their life thinks that they can cut hair, including themselves. So I'm willing to give them a try, because at the end of the day, it just grows back. If you don't like it, there's always a way to make it work somehow. You're the one who notices the most mistakes or things you didn't like. But even when people cut my bangs, I get kind of picky. I'm like, cut it there, cut it there, cut it there. So it's kind of nice to do it yourself. Then you can be in control. I lost a little bit of control today, but nobody noticed, and even I didn't really care that much because whatever, it happens. So let's fix up what we left off. I'm going to show you guys how to do it so you can do it at home by yourself like I did. I'm not going to cut off too much now because I already cut off quite a bit this morning. Went a little bit overboard. But here's the trick. So you grab what you want to be bangs, like that. You grab what you want to be bangs. Then you go twist. Bring it down. By the way, I forgot to tell you, so this makes it like an angle. That's the look I like. So you go like this. I love this trick. This is the best. This is there's so many great things you learn in life. This is one of the best things I learned recently. So I don't know if I trust the front camera. Let me check the mirror. Oh God, I might regret this. No, I won't. We can do it. Okay. So see that part hanging out? Let's trim it. Let's cut that off too. Let's just cut that. Some people are so scared to cut their hair, but it's quite liberating because we pay other people for services that a lot of the time we can do ourselves, and cutting your hair is just really liberating. See? Just trim it up. I had cut a bunch, it was definitely down to here earlier. I go, but I don't have the best scissors either. I have just craft scissors. Those are just gonna have to do right now because I can't find the others. So, okay. So you can see it's still needs some work though, I think. So then it's okay. Okay. So you go like this, and then you can trim whatever's left here. I'm looking in the mirror because I don't trust the front camera so much. It's gonna come out okay, guys. It's gonna come out okay. Just have faith in yourself and the scissors. Have faith in your own skills and it will come out okay. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. I think that already looks a little better than it did before, don't you think? Thanks. Yeah, it's really not that bad. So there you go. Free haircut on your own. I didn't cut a lot off in the video because it's already getting a little short up there, but I might trim it off a little because I have a little bit of a anything going on there. So we'll trim it up. But yeah, thanks for watching my hair tutorial, my first hair tutorial. Can't do too much because I only have my head of hair, and you know, I only have so much to cut and then grow back. So it's gonna be a while before I do another hair tutorial, maybe another bangs cut. If you have hair and you want me to cut it, I will do that. Just send me a message, let me know, okay? And also, you guys, if you like what you see, you can like my videos, or you can give me a thumbs up in real life. I think that's what counts even more. If everybody who passed me just like went like this in real life, then they know what's up, I know what's up, and that brings me joy. Okay, so the moral of this story is don't be afraid to cut your own hair. Okay? It's your hair, your life, you be in control. I just trimmed off a little more in front of the mirror because, you know, I feel like I'm gonna make more mistakes in front of a camera. I'm not that professional yet. So here's the final look. I did this with myself today. Before today, I was like losing my vision a little bit, and you know what? Life's too short to stop seeing and leave your hair into someone else's hands. You have two hands. Most of us have two hands. Your hair is in your hands. Do it. By the way, I do not take any responsibility in case anyone's hair comes out looking absolutely terrible. But I will support you until it grows back. Okay?